Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about one stock for buy and one stock for sell for tomorrow's trading session, that would be on May the 3rd, friends. We are also going to discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty in this particular video. Talking about the stocks that were actually taking the market up today, they were Tech Mahindra, HDFC Life, Hindalco, Tata Steel, Maruti Suzuki, NTPC, Tata Consumer Products, Infosys, JSW Steel, and so on. Now, talking about the stocks that were actually taking the market down, they were Hero MotoCorp, Sun Pharma, Ultratech Cement, Bharti Airtel, Tata Motors, Britannia, Kotak Mahindra, SBI, and so on. Now, the stocks that were given by us in the previous video for a buy was ICICI for a buy, which straight went up to the target. We have given a 4 rupee stop loss, against which a 6 rupee target. From 926 it went straight to 931, friends. Coming to Bajaj Finserv, which the stock we sold it right at the beginning. We told if it goes above this level and there is a candle sustaining there, we will ignore the stock. You have seen it has straight come down and sideways, followed by downward momentum again. There was one trade which we took in the live trading session, which also met its target, friends. Coming back to the stock or Nifty first. So you have seen Nifty and Bank Nifty both have casted a gap up. Okay, this was the gap up. An entire day it sustained that gap. Same thing happened with Nifty. It casted a gap up and entire day it sustained the gap. There is one thing that differed in Nifty. It also casted a gap up, but then twice during the day it filled the gap. Okay, it could not sustain the upward momentum that happened due to the gap up. That is the only change that happened. Coming to Nifty, Bank Nifty again, you see this was an important trend line which was broken at around 230, after 230, and a retrace followed by a downward momentum. But did this downward momentum sustain till the gap? The answer is no. It could not even break the day low, which was here. Bank Nifty, the day low was here. It almost touched 80 to 90% of it touched the day low, but it did not actually fill the gap. Now, this was an important trend line which was broken, followed by a retest and a downward momentum that happened. Talking about Nifty, the hero or zero trade was somewhere here. Okay, anyone who sold or bought a put option here worth 8 or 9 rupees became 80 rupees, friends. So that was the kind of momentum that happened in this half hour. 10x profit. Coming to our buy stock and sell stock for tomorrow's trading. Before that, let me tell you, we are still bullish on the market. We would be looking for buy positions both Nifty and Bank Nifty. And all the details that I have just discussed about ICICI Bank, Bajaj Finserv, and the trade that we took in the morning that met its target, all the details are there in the previous video. If you want to see, you can go ahead and see the previous video with the reasons why we gave ICICI for a buy and Bajaj Finserv for a sell, friends. Those of us who are looking forward to learn and then start earning, that would be an important video for you guys, friends. Talking about Bajaj Finserv, we are still negative. This would be the head and shoulder that we are expecting. Half of shoulder is the right shoulder is formed. See, the left shoulder was formed in 3 days, friends. So you should be expecting 3 days for right shoulder also to form. There is quite possibility that tomorrow it will come till here and then it will fall, friends. That's the analysis for this particular stock for tomorrow. Talking about the stock of the day for tomorrow, we had a confusion in choosing ITC. Both of them were positive. We have chosen Grasim for one reason. See, Grasim has, if we consider this double bottom here, from where it started going up, if we are taking a Fibo from the double bottom till the top, it has touched the 38.2 levels and it will continue to go up from here. This is what we are expecting. Those who want to be safe can go ahead and wait for a trend line break on 1 minute, which can be somewhere here. Okay, or as usual, we will go ahead and enter at the first candle. And ITC, see, if you look at a double bottom in ITC, the double bottom is somewhere. I don't see any place from where we can go ahead and put a Fibo except for this one. So if I am selecting that area as a start point for the Fibo till the top, you see that it has not even touched the 38.2 levels. It is retracing from here itself. So one can create a buy position at a breakout of this particular trend line. But do we have other reasons like Fibo support? The answer is no. The reason we are ignoring this stock and choosing Grasim for a buy, friends. We are choosing Adani port for a sell. Number one is we are seeing a 1, 2 and triple top pattern and a downward momentum. Now here when we are seeing a triple top, we also can draw a trend line from here to here. So there can be a possible down of this trend line followed by downward momentum. In this case, the target for the stock will be like this, friends. This would be your breakdown, and this is how much your target would be from the breakdown. So this area can be targeted in case of Adani ports. So that's a big momentum that we are capturing. Now what's important is here at the top at this levels, it is unable to go above that particular level, and that is the reason we are selecting it for a sell. Now in case you see it starting above that level and coming straight down, then we can sell there itself. Otherwise, if in case it retains a candle there and there are continuous green candles somewhere here, then we would go ahead and ignore the stock. I hope you understood the logic, friends. And if you're liking the video, please hit the like button. Also share it with your friends, family members, basically anyone who is looking forward to make money from Indian stocks and to learn technical analysis, friends. Thanks for watching and wish you a profitable tomorrow, friends.